BMW has long been a name synonymous with luxury, precision engineering, and innovation in the motorcycle world. Now, they are shifting gears once again with the unveiling of the 2026 BMW R12G per S, a modern enduro bike that pays tribute to their legendary R80G per S, the first dedicated dual-sport motorcycle from the brand that debuted in the 1980s. While BMW has earned its reputation as a top-tier producer of cruisers and roadsters, the R12G per S proves that their enduro legacy is still very much alive and kicking. The R12G per S is a fascinating blend of modern technology and classic design. Built with a one-piece tubular bridge steel space frame and a bolted-on rear frame, this bike is designed to tackle both off-road and street terrain with ease. One of the most distinctive features of the R12G per S is its wheel configuration. The front wheel is a massive 21 inches, ideal for off-road performance, while the rear wheel starts at 17 inches and can be upgraded to an 18-inch wheel with the Enduro Package Pro. This makes it the only BMW Motorrad bike with a rear wheel of this size. The long-travel suspension system is designed to handle tough terrain. The front suspension uses a fully adjustable upside-down telescopic fork offering 210 millimeters of travel, while the rear suspension features a paralever swing arm with an adjustable shock providing 200 millimeters of travel. Whether tackling bumpy trails or smoother roads, the suspension ensures the rider will experience a comfortable and stable ride. Under the hood, the R12G per S features BMW's iconic boxer engine, this time displacing 1,170 cubic centimeters. This air and oil-cooled engine is capable of producing 109 horsepower and 115 newton-meters of torque, offering ample power for off-road adventures and cruising on highways. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission, and the exhaust system features a high-mounted rear silencer, designed to enhance the bike's rugged appearance. BMW's 4 selectable riding modes, rain, road, enduro, and Enduro Pro, offer a versatile experience, allowing the rider to tailor the bike's performance to different conditions. Whether in slick rain conditions or rugged off-road terrain, these modes ensure that the bike remains adaptable to the rider's needs. Comfort is key, especially for long journeys, and BMW has made sure that the R12G per S can be customized for a range of riders. The bike comes with 3 seat height options, allowing for an ideal fit, depending on the rider's preference and stature. The standard seat height is 860 millimeters with a 17-inch wheel, though this increases to 875 millimeters with a larger 18-inch wheel. The rally seat, which adds an extra 20 millimeters, brings the seat height to 880 millimeters. A 2-up pillion seat is also available for riders who wish to take a passenger on their adventures. In terms of technology, the R12G per S is equipped with a round TFT display that shows all essential trip data, helping riders stay informed throughout their ride. To enhance the bike's off-road capabilities, BMW has added serrated footrests and aluminum handlebars that can be fitted with 20 millimeters risers. The bike's small fairing provides protection from the elements while also adding to its robust, adventure-ready appearance. For visibility at night, LED lighting has been incorporated into the design. When it comes to aesthetics, BMW offers several color options for the R12G per S. The standard color is a sleek night black matte, while an optional light white with a red seat gives the bike a sportier edge. For a more luxurious look, there's the option 719 Aragonite, which combines sand rover matte, racing red, and mineral gray, giving the bike a standout finish. However, all this comes at a price. The R12G per S starts at $16,395, and with additional options and the Enduro Package Pro, the cost could easily climb to over $17,500. While the bike may be a bit expensive for some, it's a small price to pay for a motorcycle that combines BMW's legacy of precision engineering with the ruggedness and versatility of an enduro bike. Scheduled to launch in the third quarter of 2026, the R12G per S is set to make a splash in the American market. Whether you're an experienced off-road rider or a BMW enthusiast looking for something that pushes the limits, the R12G per S promises to offer an unmatched riding experience.